Hello everyone, this is part 51 of our playlist. Our playlist name is Full Stack Python. Okay, so this is what? This is a training course. Okay, everyone, this is what? This is a training course. This is not just a video. Why I am saying this is a training course? Because we are learning here theory in depth. We are not ignoring theory. We are learning theory in depth as well as we are learning programs, including programs, including logical programs. We are learning. Okay, that's why I'm saying this is what? A training course, not just a video. And this like once we understand the theory clearly, once we understand the program, then we will implement projects. Okay, and projects is important. If you know some technical language, if you know some language, for example, if you know some technology like full stack Python development, so what you developed, if you know, that is good, but what you developed, so that's why we develop here project, and we will upload these projects on GitHub repository. Okay, we will upload these projects on GitHub repository. GitHub. Why we are uploading these projects on GitHub repository? So that everyone can see our code, so that everyone can see our project work. All right. Okay. And that project work link we will mention in our CV. Okay. Whenever you send your CV to your HR, so your HR can see your project work. Okay. Through the GitHub repository. All right, I hope everyone clear now. So this is a training course. Okay, this is a journey. Okay, this is not just a video. So in today's video, we are going to learn about dictionary, or we can say mapping. Okay, mapping is also a dictionary. Correct. Dictionary is a collection of dictionary is a collection type. Dictionary is a collection type. Dictionary is a mapping collection type. Okay, what type of collection it is? It is a mapping collection. Correct. A dictionary is a kind of data structure that store items in key value pair. Okay, in dictionary we have key as well as we have value, key and value pair. A key is a unique identifier for an item, and a value is the data associated with key. Key is what? Identifier. With the help of key, we can easily identify the data, and data is associated with key. Correct? A Python dictionary is collection of key value pair. Okay, collection of key value pair. Okay, and for example, here is key and here is value, and between it we have column. Okay, key and column. See, in dictionary, each key is mapped with one or more than one value. Okay, one key can map with multiple values. One key can map with multiple values. Okay, dictionary keys must be hashable, and value can be any type. Okay, dictionary key should what? Must be hashable. Like we can say dictionary key should not be duplicate. Okay, it should be hashable, and value can be any type. Okay, whatever value you will associate with key, it can be any type. Okay, dictionary is a mutable collection of object. Dictionary is a mutable collection of object. After creating dictionary, changes can be done. After creating dictionary, changes can be done, because dictionary is what type? Mutable type. Correct. So if it is mutable, we can perform what? We can perform changes. Okay, changes can be done. All right. See, dictionary key must be unique. Dictionary key must be unique, means no duplicate. Duplicates are not allowed when we talk about dictionary key. Dictionary values can be anything. Dictionary values can be anything. But if we talk about key, dictionary key is based collection. Okay, it's based collection where reading and writing is done using key. Dictionary is a key-based collection. Dictionary is what? A key-based collection where reading and writing is done by key, or you can say using key. In application development, dictionary is used to represent group of individual objects. In application development, dictionary is used to represent group of individual objects where each object is bind with key. Each object bind with key. Key should what type? Key should what type? Hashable object. Key is what? Hashable object. Whereas value associated with key can be any type. Correct, everyone? For example, we have context. Okay, this is an example of dictionary, because in context, like number is key and we associate number with name. Okay, address book is also example. Shopping cart is also example. Cookies. Okay, also example like website cookies. Request and response are the example of dictionary. Correct. If we talk about specifically list, so list is what? Index based. Okay, here each value associated with index. Okay, index is there. Index. If we talk about set, so no index is there because set is an unordered collection of data, or we can say element where order is not preserved. Insertion order is not preserved in set. Okay, so we don't have index value because set does not contain any order. It is random order. If we talk about dictionary, so we have two things. One is key and second one is value. So each value associated with key, each value associated with key, each value associated with key. How many keys are there? There are four keys. There are four keys. How many values are there? There are four values and four keys. Okay, so this is a dictionary. So remember everyone, index list is index based, where set is non-index based. If we talk about dictionary, so this is key based. Dictionary is what? Key based. Correct. Now we talk about how to create dictionary, how we can create dictionary. Okay, so tell me everything, everyone. Like if you want to create, for example, if you want to create dictionary, so we will write this curly braces, and for set we also write curly braces. But what's the difference? For example, if you are writing like 1, 2, 3, so this is what? This is a set. Okay, because set is also use curly braces. If I write here empty curly braces, so this is what? Dictionary. This is what? Dictionary. If you want, if you want to create empty dictionary, then what you empty set, so what you will write? You will write here set. Okay, what I'm trying to say, please try to understand everyone. Let me raise this. Okay, for example, if I say create empty set, so how you will create empty set? You will use this. If I say create empty dictionary, so you can use this one. Okay, so this is empty dictionary and this is empty set. If I say create set, so you will write 1, 2, 3. So this is set. If I say create dictionary, so you will write one like you can say any data you can give like nk. Okay, so here one is key, nk is value associated with this key. Correct, and this is set, and we use same syntax. We use like curly braces in dictionary as well as set. Okay, so how to create dictionary? Okay, so there is a keyword like dict class or data type which represent dictionary object. Dictionary is created in different ways. Dictionary is created in different ways. If you want to create empty dictionary is created using curly braces, empty curly braces. Okay, dictionary is created with items where key and value are separated with column. Okay, key and values are separated with column. Okay, key and value separated by column. For example, see here. This is what? This is the key and this is the value and separated by column. Okay, this is the key and this is the value and separated by column. Key and value separated by column. Correct, everyone? Using dictionary comprehension, we can create dictionary using comprehension. Okay, using dictionary function, we can create dictionary. Okay, for example, we can write dict. So this create empty dictionary. Okay, and one more way of empty creating empty dictionary like this we can write also. Empty curly braces also create empty dictionary. Correct. If we talk about dict iterable like dictionary, and inside the iterable we can pass. So we can convert any iterable, we can convert iterable into what? Dictionary, but we cannot convert any iterable in what? In dictionary, because if we talk about list, so list contain key or value? No, list does not contain any key and value. List contain only value. See, this create dictionary by converting existing iterable or collection. Okay, okay, so let's perform this example so that you can better understand this. You can better understand about the dictionary. So first of all, let me open the IDLE. IDLE is nothing but integrated development learning environment. Correct, everyone? Please try to understand the full form. Okay, please, because full form is also important. Okay, why? Because interviewer may ask you anything. Okay, he could be asked, he or she could be asked very basic things. They could be asked like some like very hard things also. So this is what? This mode is known as interactive mode, and this three greater than symbol known as Chevron prompt. So if you want to create dictionary, you will write, for example, variable name is p1, and here you will give empty curly braces. The moment you write empty curly braces, it's mean this created. P1 is what type now? Dictionary type. If I check the type, if I check the type of, if I check the type of D1, so what's the type? This is what? Dictionary type. This is dictionary type. Correct, everyone? All right. So for example, if I create a dictionary of some persons, So how can I create like this? We have this dictionary. Okay. So here nk is what? Key, and 50 is value. This is key and this is value. It is not like key always be integer. Okay. Key can be any hashable object. Okay. So this is how I can create dictionary like this. And we have another dictionary called contact dictionary. We have another dictionary called contact dictionary. Okay, like this. Correct, everyone? If I print person dictionary, so what will happen? All the key value pair will print person. Okay, what's the mistake? Okay, here is it is not person, but it is persons. Okay, okay. So nk and 50, all the keys and all the values is printing. If I print contact, okay, what's the name? Contacts. If I write context, so all the key value pair inside the contact dictionary is printing. Correct, everyone? Okay, all right. See, if I write dict1, this is what? A variable name. Dictionary 1 equals to what? Key is what? 1 and value is 10. Key is 2 and value is 20. Key is 3 and value is 30. Okay. So here see, key and value separated by column. Key and value separated by column. And we give here comma to write another key value pair. Okay, key value pair separated by comma and key and value separated by column. Remember everyone, this is the syntax. Okay, so dict1 is created. If I print dictionary 1, so all the key values will print as it is. Correct. Okay. If I write this, okay. So what is here? So this is what? A key and this is value. This is what type of value? List type of value. We can give any type of value. Okay, but we cannot give any type of key. Remember everyone, we can give any type of value. Value is can be anything. Okay. Here this is another key ename, and there is we have this is a value. We have another key, and okay, okay, okay. This is what? This is key, and this is complete list is value. Okay, so this is how we can create with different types of values. Okay, if I print employee dictionary, so what will happen? Okay, if I print employee dictionary emp underscore text, so all the data will print. Correct, everyone? Okay, now see the example of creating dictionary. See the example of creating dictionary with dictionary function, using dictionary function. How we can dictionary using dictionary function? I will write here dict. Okay, and this is how we can create the dictionary. And I will store this empty dictionary in what? D1. So D1 is what? A dictionary, but it is what type? Empty type. If I print D1, so nothing will print, only the curly braces. Because dict function we use and there is no key value pair inside the dict. So it will create empty dictionary. Correct? And if I write here print print type of what? D1. If I say print type of D1, so this is what type? Dictionary type. Correct? Okay. If I write here list, if I write here list, if I write here list 1 equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Correct? So this is what is? This is list. Okay. And can I convert list into dictionary? Yes, I can convert list into dictionary with the help of which function? Dictionary function. So what I will do here, I will write dict1. Okay, this is a dictionary variable, and I will use here dictionary function. Okay, what function I will use? Dictionary function. Here I can give any iterable. Okay, so will it convert? No, it will not convert. Why? Why it is not converting? What is the reason behind it? Okay, so error is coming because list does not contain key value pair. But whenever you create dictionary, so dictionary contain what? Key and value pair. Inside the dictionary, we have key and value pair. Value is associated with some unique key. But in dictionary, we don't have key. So error is coming. What is the error? Type error. Cannot convert dictionary update sequence element like this. This is the error. So what we will do, how we can resolve this error? We use enumerator. What we will use here? Enumerator. Enumerator written what? A tuple. And tuple contain how many values? Two values. A tuple contain two values. Okay. So see. here I will convert this list into what? I will convert because I cannot directly convert this list into what? Dictionary. That's why I will convert this list. I will convert into what? Enumerate. I will write here enumerate, and here I will write list one. Enumerate list one. Okay. So so it will enumerate function return what? A tuple. If I print E, so what will happen? If I print E, so what will happen? This is what? Enumerator object. Enumerator object is written. Okay, if I print the type of E, so E is what type? Enumerate type. So can I convert this enumerator into what list? Can I convert E into dictionary? Sorry, enumerate into dictionary. Yes, now I can convert. Okay, so I will write here, what I will write here? Dict1 equals to dictionary function to convert any iterable to, like, enumerate iterable to dictionary. E is what? Enumerate. Okay, first what we are doing here, we have this list. First we convert this list into what? Enumerate. And we got the object of this list, enumeratable object of the list. Then what we are doing, we are converting this E object into what? Dictionary. Okay, is that possible? Yes, it is possible. It is converted. If I print dictionary one, so what will happen? So it is printing like key and value here. Okay, starting from 0, like 10 associated with 0, this is associated with 1, like that. Okay, like that. Why? Because we are using enumerator function here. Okay, for example, we have this sales data. So we have some sales data. What we have some sales data. And if I click enter, if I print sales underscore list, so this list is printing. Okay, and then what I want to convert this data into what? Into what? Enumerate. I want to convert this list data into what? Dictionary. So first I will convert into what? Enumerate. So I will write here E equals to enumerate. I will write list equals to enumerate. Okay, then what I will write here? I will write sales underscore list. Okay, sales list. Okay, I want to check sales data of year 2000. Okay, okay, I want to check data up to 2000. So what I will do here? I will mention the year. Okay, and this is what? This is a list object I give. Okay, then what I will get? I will get enumerator object. Can I convert this enumerator object into dictionary? Can I create this enumerator object in dictionary? Yes, I can create. I can convert this enumerator object into what? Dictionary. Okay, so here we can do. So what I will write here? I will write here dix2, which is nothing but dictionary variable, and I will use dictionary function. Inside the dictionary method, I will give the enumerator object. I will give what? Argument as a enumerator object. So what will happen? A dictionary is created. A dictionary is containing what? Dictionary is containing what? Dictionary containing key and value pair. See, when I print dictionary 2, when I print dix2, so what will happen? From 2000 onwards. First key is 2000. So from 2000 onwards, keys will print. Okay, 2000 we have sale 5000. Okay, in 2001 we have sale 6000. In 2002 we have sale of 7000, and in 2003 we have sales of 8000, and in 2004 we have sales of 9000. Correct? So are you getting, everyone? Here is our list data converted into what? Enumerator data. Okay, enumerator 2 we are converting in dictionary. Dictionary means key value pair. Can you see each key and value? Correct. All right, it's mean you are getting, it's mean you are learning. Correct. Okay. So for example, we have another list which containing tuple data. We have a list which containing what? Tuple data. Tuple data means tuple data means tuple data. Tuple data means immutable type of data. Tuple is what type? Tuple is immutable type. Okay, list is what type? List is mutable type. Mutable means changes can be done, but in immutable changes cannot be done. Correct? So if I give enter, so list 2 is created with tuple values. Okay. Correct, everyone? So if can I convert now this list into dictionary? Can I convert? Yes, I can convert now because we have tuple. We have tuple as a object, or we can say the element of the list is now tuple type. If the element of the list is tuple type, then we can convert list into what? List into what? Dictionary without using enumerate, because we have key and we have value as well. Key and value is associated. So now we can directly convert this dictionary, like dict3 equals to, I will write dictionary function. Here I will give list as an argument. Like this is an iterable, so it will directly convert it to what? Dictionary. If I print dict3, If I print dict3, so what will happen? All the data will print. All the data will print as a key value pair. If I check what is the type of dict3, what is the type of dict3? So this is what? Dictionary type. If I check list2, what is the type of list2? Okay, type of list2. So this is what type? Okay, what's the error? Okay, this is a wrong spelling. All right. Let me write the correct spelling. What's the correct spelling? Type. And here I will write list2. So what is the type of list2? This is list. It containing what? Tuple type of data. Okay. With the help of parenthesis, we represent tuple. Okay. With the help of square bracket, we represent list. With the help of curly braces, we represent set and dictionary. Correct? Right. Great. Okay. So you can try these examples. Okay. Now we are going to learn about zip function. What is the use of zip function? We will understand. Okay, everyone. Let's try to understand now. Be focused now. Okay, zip. Iterate over several iterables in parallel, producing tuples with an item for each one. More formally, zip written an iterator of tuples where the ith tuple contains the ith element. Ith tuple containing what? Ith element from each of the argument. Okay, from each of the argument iterables. Correct? For example, we have zip. Okay, and we have iterables, and then strict equals to false. Okay, this is the syntax. Please remember the syntax because we will use this syntax many times. Okay, for example, we have list1 and we have list2. If I zip list1 comma list2, if I use zip function, so I will give two iterable, list1 and list2. So what will happen? It will it will consider first list as a key and associate this key with value of list2. Okay, here see again, this is what? This is a key and associated with this value of list2. See again, this is what? This is the key and associated with the value of list2. Why it is happening? Because we are using what function? Zip function. We are using zip function. How many arguments we are giving? We are giving two arguments. These two arguments is what type? Mutable or immutable? These are the mutable type because list is what type? Mutable type. Okay, so this is the key from belongs to list1, and this is the value belongs to list2. This is another value. Okay, so zip function written what? Tuples. Zip function return tuples. How many tuples are there? There are three tuples. See again one more example so that you can get good clarity. Okay, we have three lists. List one containing some data, list two containing some data, and list three also containing some data. Okay, then what we are doing? We are using zip function, and we are giving how many arguments? We are giving three arguments. Okay, list one as an argument, list two as an argument, and list three as an argument. And we separated each argument with comma. We separated each argument with comma. Okay, so what it will return? It will take first value of list one, second value of list two, and third value from list three. Third value means first value of list three, first value of list two, first value of what? List one. So it will return tuple. Okay, tuple containing three element. Here tuple containing three element. Tuple containing three element. Okay. Okay, if I write here list one equals to this and list two equals to this. If I say zip and list one dot list one comma. Okay, what I'm writing here, this is what? This is dot. List one dot, list two dot, and strike equals to three. Okay, see what's the syntax? Okay, it is not dot actually. Sorry, it is not properly visible. That's why it is the comma, list one comma list two comma strike strict equals to true. So it will give what? Value error. Okay, it will give what? Value error. See, for example, all right, everyone. Okay, see this example. Example number one is list one equals to we have 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay, this is the element of list one. We have list two. List two equals to 10, comma 20. Okay, so list one containing how many elements? Three elements. And list two containing what? Two elements. List two containing what? Two elements. If list two containing two elements, so what will happen? Only two key value pair will created. Okay, because list two containing two values. So one is associated with 10 and two associated with 20. We discard 3. We will not use 3. We will discard 3. See how we can create tuple. How we can create like in dictionary we will use here zip function. We are using zip function. and here I will give argument list1 comma list2, list1 comma list2. So what will happen? What will happen? 1 associated with 10 and 2 associated with 20, correct? Okay, if I print, if can I convert Z1 into dictionary? Yes, I can convert Z1 into what? Dictionary. When I convert dictionary, so this is key associated with this value. This key associated with this value. So I will write here dict1 equals to variable name. Then I will use dictionary function. I will use dictionary function. Then I will write Z1. Z1 is what object? It's zip object. So dictionary is created. If I say print Z1, print Z1. So what will happen? The object address will print. Object address will print. If I say print dictionary, print dict1. So what will happen? Key and value will pair. Key value pair will print. Okay. Suppose if I take this 2 again, okay, and if I give 30 also, 30 also. So how many values should be there in list? Now we have 3 key value pair like 1 and 10, 2 and 20, 3 and 30. Very good. Okay. So okay, what's the mistake here? Okay, multiple statements. Like I have to change the name also. Okay, okay. I will copy one by one. Okay, one by one. At the same time, we cannot give two because we are working on interactive mode. We are working in interactive mode. Okay, now. So if we have 3 keys and 3 values. So now can I zip it? I will write here z equals to zip method, and here I will write argument list1. First argument for creating keys and second argument for creating values. Sorry. Okay. Now Z, can I convert Z into dictionary? Yes, I can convert Z into what? Dictionary type. So what I will write here, dict2 equals to dictionary function, and then I will give Z as a iterable. So if I print dict2, so what will happen? How many pair are there? There are 3 pair now because we have 3 keys and we have 3 values, and each key associated with each value. Okay, correct everyone? So you can try this examples. Correct? All right, it's your responsibility to perform all the operations. Okay, I will provide the link of this notes in the description and you can download the notes. Okay. All right, now we will learn about reading content of dictionary. How we can read content of the dictionary. Reading content of dictionary. The content of dictionary can be read in different ways. The content of dictionary can be read in different ways. Like using key, we can read the content of the dictionary. Reading means we are printing, like you can understand. Okay, using for loop, we can print the dictionary, content of the dictionary. Using iterator, we can read the content of dictionary. Okay, using dictionary methods, we can read the content of dictionary. What are the dictionary methods? Like keys method, value method, values method, and items method. Okay, getting methods. Okay, getter methods of dictionary. We can use getter method of dictionary in order to read the content of dictionary. Correct? All right. See here, using key. If we talk about using key, so dictionary is key-based collection. Dictionary is what type collection? Key-based collection. And dictionary is what type? Mutable or immutable? Yes, dictionary is mutable collection. Okay. To read value from dictionary, we can use key. To read the value of the dictionary, we can use key because each value associated with each key. Okay. So if we talk about syntax, so dictionary name we will give, and then we will give key. For example, if key exists, it return values. If key doesn't exist, so what will happen? Key error will occur. Key error will occur. If key is not exist, then how we can read the data? We cannot read the data without key. Okay. See example. We have user dictionary. User dictionary. We have this key. Okay, and associated with this value, we have another key, and associated with this value, we have another key, and associated with this value. If I say username, input username. So we are taking username from user. We are taking password from user. We are saying if so. What we are doing here? Membership testing. This is what membership testing. In is what? In is sorry. In is what? Okay, wait. In is what? Membership operator. So we are checking what? Username in user dictionary. So username, if username present in user dictionary, then we will say what we will say? User text. User text is what? This list. So we are what we are giving? We are giving argument as uname. Okay, uname, because uname we are taking from user. And then we will check p equals to P equals to what? PWD. PWD is what? Password. And dist and okay. And P is what we are writing here? We are writing here key. Key is what? For example, key is Suresh. And what is the respective password? S123. Okay, then we are check that, and this written into what? P. Then we are checking P equals to password. So if it is equals to password, then what we will do? We will say username welcome. Else we will say invalid password. Okay. And if it is like username in user dictionary not found, then we will say invalid username, because username is a key. If key is not found in the dictionary, we will say invalid username, which is not present in what in the dictionary. If we talk about so here is the output. For example, Suresh is what? Key, and then it's asking password. Password is S123. So Suresh welcome. Okay, Suresh password is what? Suresh is what? A key, and Suresh password is S123. So it is true. So welcome. And this is the invalid. Okay, invalid username. This is what? Invalid password. Correct. Like this you can practice. So for example, D1 equals to, we have this key value pairs, and D, if we write here D1 in like square bracket 2, so what it will written? It will written value associated with key. 2 is what? Key. 3 is what? Key. Which value associated with 3? 30. 1 is key, and value associated with 10. Okay, 10 is what? 10 is value. And what is the key associated? We cannot give value here. We cannot give value here. We can only give keys. Okay, if we will keep key in the square box, so it will return what? It will return value. Else it will return error. What type of error? Key error. Okay, because 10 is a key which is not exist in this dictionary. Okay, using for loop we can read the data. For loop is what? For loop iterate. For loop perform iteration. Iteration means take number of time execution. For loop iterate, read key from the dictionary. Okay, iterate or read, both are same. Key from the dictionary. For example, see the example. So we have dictionary. Dictionary like keyboard is a key and 1000 is what? Value. Mouse is a key. 300 is what? Value. Monitor is a key. 7000 is what? Value. If I say for P in name, P in product dictionary. Okay, P in product dictionary, then we are printing P. Okay, so P is what? Keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Correct, everyone? All right. So if I write here for P name in P rate dictionary, okay, or we can say product dictionary. P1 P name is what? In product dictionary. So what we are printing? Product name, product dictionary, and we are printing product key. Correct. So what it will print? It will print keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Correct. So D1 equals to, we have can we write like this? Can we write like this in dictionary? In list, can we write key and value? We cannot write key value here in the list, because square box means this is what? List, and we cannot write key value here because each value in list separated by comma. Okay, comma. Correct. So this is what? Syntax error. Syntax error will come. Okay, so for example, D1 equals to, we have key value pair, because D1 is dictionary. In dictionary, key value pair is allowed. If I say K in D1, if I print K, so output will print like this. Okay, for K in D1, print K and D1 dot K. K means here what? Key. Okay, so like this key will print and this is respective value will print. Correct, everyone? Here key will print. Okay, key will print, and we are giving here key. What we are giving here? D1 dot K. K means key. So for example, key value is here like 2. K value is like 2. So here 2 will come. So 2 is the associated with which value? 20. So 20 will print like this. Correct, everyone? Everyone, please download this notes and practice by yourself. Okay, then only you can improve your skills. Okay, practice is the only way to improve your skills. So thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Okay, your time is precious. That's why I'm saying this is really very valuable time. Okay, and please try and download this notes and practice the code. And whatever code you practice, please mention in the comment section below. Okay, you can put the code in the comment section below so that I can check your code. Okay, I can check your consistency. I can check your dedication. Okay, thank you everyone, and don't forget to keep a smile on your face. Always remember, a smile is also important while learning. And don't be scared with future. Don't be afraid with future. Okay, if you are learning, if you are working on your present, definitely you have a good future. So don't worry. Problems are temporary. Everything is temporary. Okay, do not be serious in life. Just learn and practice and do code. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.